How to make your cheap car sound like a luxury Rolls-Royce. Luxury cars do not just look expensive, they sound expensive. The moment a Rolls-Royce Phantom glides past, you notice something strange, almost no noise at all. The doors close with a deep, solid thud. The cabin feels isolated from the outside world, and even at highway speeds, the interior stays eerily quiet. That silence is not accidental. Companies like Rolls-Royce motor cars spend millions engineering acoustic insulation, vibration control, laminated glass, and advanced suspension systems to create that floating sensation. But here's the surprising part. Modern sound deadening technology has become dramatically cheaper and more accessible. You do not need a six-figure luxury car to transform the way your vehicle feels. With the right upgrades and smart modifications, even an inexpensive daily driver can sound dramatically smoother, quieter, and more premium. Let's watch. 1. Why luxury cars sound different from normal cars. Most people think luxury cars feel expensive because of leather seats or giant screens, but the real difference is often sound isolation. Cheap cars constantly leak noise into the cabin. Tire, roar, engine vibrations, wind turbulence, rattling plastic panels, and road impacts all combine into a noisy driving experience that subconsciously feels low quality. Luxury vehicles attack these noises from every direction. Cars like the Mercedes, Benz S-Class, and BMW 7 Series use multi-layer sound insulation hidden behind carpets, doors, roof liners, and firewall panels. Many now include acoustic laminated glass that blocks outside frequencies before they even enter the cabin. Modern luxury cars also use active noise cancellation systems similar to premium headphones. Microphones detect unwanted frequencies, while the speakers generate opposite sound waves to neutralize them in real time. Brands like Bose and Harman now develop automotive acoustic systems specifically designed to create quieter cabins. The biggest realization is this: expensive cars are not magically silent. They are carefully engineered to absorb, block, and cancel unwanted sound. And many of those same techniques can now be applied to ordinary cars surprisingly cheaply. 2. Sound deadening is the biggest transformation you can make. If there is one modification that creates the biggest Rolls-Royce style improvement, it is proper sound deadening. Modern butyl-based sound deadening mats have become far better than the old asphalt sheets people used years ago. Today, products from companies like Dynamat, Killmat, and Neuco can dramatically reduce vibration and resonance inside doors, floors, trunks, and wheel arches. Most cheap cars suffer from panel resonance. Thin metal vibrates like a drum whenever the road, tires, or speakers create energy. Luxury cars use thicker materials and insulation to stop this effect. Applying sound deadening mats behind door panels instantly changes how doors sound when closing. Instead of a hollow metallic clang, the door suddenly produces a deeper, more expensive thud. Modern upgraded setups often combine multiple layers. First comes vibration damping material. Then closed cell foam reduces airborne noise. Finally, mass-loaded vinyl blocks lower frequency sound. This multi-stage approach can reduce cabin noise dramatically without changing the engine itself. Even newer EV-style insulation techniques are becoming popular. Some enthusiasts now install acoustic foam barriers around wheel wells because tire noise has become one of the largest remaining sound sources in modern cars. The result is shocking the first time you drive after installation. The stereo sounds richer, conversations become easier, and highway driving suddenly feels calmer and more luxurious. 3. Tires quietly control more cabin noise than people realize. One of the biggest mistakes people make is focusing only on the engine while ignoring the tires. In reality, tire noise is often the loudest sound entering a cabin at highway speeds. Luxury automakers spend enormous amounts designing low-noise tire compounds. Some premium tires now even include foam inserts inside the tire itself to reduce resonance. Companies like Michelin, Pirelli, and Continental AG all produce acoustic-focused touring tires specifically engineered for quietness. Many cheap cars come with harder economy tires designed mainly for long lifespan, not comfort. Those tires transfer vibration directly into the cabin. Switching to softer Grand Touring tires can completely transform how a car sounds and feels. Suddenly, the road noise drops, impacts feel softer, and the entire car starts behaving more like a premium sedan. Modern EV-inspired tire technology is also changing the market rapidly. Because electric vehicles are naturally quieter, tire manufacturers had to develop quieter tread patterns and advanced sound-absorbing compounds to prevent road noise from becoming overwhelming. Some newer tires even feature silent sidewall technology that reduces air pumping noise as the tread contacts the road. It sounds like marketing nonsense until you compare vehicles back to back. 4. Suspension upgrades can create the floating luxury feeling. A luxury car is not just quiet, it feels completely different in motion. Cheap suspension systems often crash over bumps, sending sharp impacts, vibrations, and rattles directly into the cabin. In contrast, luxury vehicles are engineered to isolate passengers from road harshness, so the surface imperfections almost disappear. Advanced systems like those in the Audi A8 and Lexus LS use adaptive suspension that constantly adjusts damping in real time, reacting to road conditions within milliseconds. While that level of technology is expensive, everyday cars can still achieve major improvements with smart upgrades. Replacing worn shocks and tired bushings is one of the biggest changes you can make. Even new economy cars often come with basic dampers focused on cost rather than comfort. Upgraded touring shocks from brands like Bilstein or KYB can instantly improve smoothness without ruining handling. Hydraulic bushings, wheel balancing, proper alignment, and softer sidewall tires all work together to reduce harshness. The smoother the ride becomes, the more premium the car feels from behind the wheel. 5. New acoustic glass technology is becoming more affordable. For years, acoustic laminated glass was reserved mainly for ultra-luxury vehicles, but that is rapidly changing as sound engineering becomes more accessible. Modern laminated windshields are built with a special sound-absorbing layer sandwiched between two sheets of glass, which significantly reduces whine noise, tire hum, and high-frequency traffic sounds compared to standard glass. This technology is now widely used in EVs like the Tesla Model S and Hyundai Ioniq 5 because electric drivetrains expose road and wind noise more clearly. Aftermarket options are also emerging, allowing drivers to upgrade windshields or apply acoustic films for noticeable noise reduction even in older cars. Door seals are another overlooked upgrade. Luxury vehicles use multi-layer sealing systems to block tiny air leaks, while cheaper cars often rely on simpler rubber strips that degrade over time. Replacing them with modern silicone-based seals can instantly improve cabin quietness. Adding insulation under the hood liner further reduces engine and vibration noise, bringing everyday vehicles surprisingly close to premium comfort levels. The secret behind a luxury car experience has never been just about price, it has always been about refinement. Expensive vehicles feel special because they carefully control noise, vibration, harshness, and comfort in ways most economy cars never prioritize from the factory. But modern sound deadening materials, quieter tire technology, upgraded suspension components, acoustic glass, and EV-inspired cabin engineering are changing that completely. Today, many premium-feeling upgrades are surprisingly affordable and far more effective than they were just a few years ago. The result is that even a basic commuter car can become dramatically quieter, smoother, and more relaxing to drive without spending Rolls-Royce money. In many ways, true automotive luxury is not about speed anymore. It is about silence, comfort, and creating the feeling that the outside world has disappeared completely. Let us know in the comments what you think about how to make your cheap car sound like a luxury Rolls-Royce. And don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.